up, guys? So today we're stuck in the woods and we're trying to fix this here razor. It is a 2015 1000 XP. We are going to swap out the belt. That's right behind that bad boy. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do here is take a screwdriver and get rid of that hose clamp, and then after that we got like 8 bolts or something that go around this here cover. We'll pull that off and then that'll give us access to the belt. All I have here are tools that we had in the tool bag. I didn't bring anything extra or special down here. This is just what I had, so this is what we're going to make do with. Alright, so you got the cover off, and you're going to take whatever kind of pry bar you have access to. This is what I got. And you're just going to stick it in here and just kind of pry on it a little bit. And that pushes this in, which lets pressure off of the belt. So from there, you got some slack in your belt. You can kind of pull it off a little bit and then just work it around like so, and give it a little spin. Pull your old belt off. Now, when you go to put your new one on, there's letters on here. Sometimes they have an arrow. Sometimes there'll be an arrow that says, points to the front or whatever, but this one doesn't, but it has words on it. It says Polaris. You put it on so that it reads. Get it started. There we go. So it's loose. You can spin this like 5 or 6 or 7 times, whatever, and it cinches it back up. So from there, you just put your cover back on and you're done. That's it. Bob's your uncle. The sunset's insane. How do I look? That's cool. Alright, so that was the first video of our new segment, fixing things with Josh Wilson. If you guys are like a subscriber to my normal daily vlog content, I'm sorry if that's boring to you, but there's just not much going on here. Like, all I'm doing is like building stuff and fixing stuff, so I need to maximize my time and make videos from all this stuff and hopefully get my channel a little more traffic. So if you like that video, if it was helpful, give me a thumbs up, go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified when I post, and give me some feedback. You guys got anything you want to see? Is there anything that you have broke that you need to know how to fix? Let me know. I'll fix it and I'll show you how to do it. Anyway, have a good night. Have a good weekend. Today's Friday. More videos coming soon. Check out this sunset. Does this thing come out of here? Why is this happening? I hate snakes.